Welcome to Gospel Quiz. We have 20 questions for you at the beginner level to help you scale up to the level of advanced and all the way up to an expert.
Who baptized Jesus?
John the Baptist.
What city was Jesus born in?
Bethlehem.
Who was Christ's father on earth?
Joseph.
Who was Jesus' mother?
Mary.
What did Jesus turn water into?
Wine.
What city did Jesus grow up in?
Nazareth.
What was Jesus known for walking on?
Water.
Which disciple betrayed Jesus?
Judas.
How many times did Peter deny Jesus?
3 times.
Who helped Jesus carry his cross?
Simon.
Hit the like button if you're enjoying Gospel Quiz so far.
How many people did Jesus feed near the Sea of Galilee?
5,000 people.
What was written above Jesus' cross?
King of Jews.
How many disciples did Christ have?
12 disciples.
Who was raised from the dead by Christ?
Lazarus.
How many days was it until Jesus was resurrected after his crucifixion?
3 days.
This one will really test your knowledge, plus share with us in the comments. What was the hardest questions to answer?
How many days did Christ appear after he was resurrected?
40 days.
How old was Christ when he started his ministry?
30 years old.
What was Jesus' profession?
Carpenter.
How many wise men visited Jesus after his birth?
3 wise men.
What animal did Christ ride into Jerusalem?
He rode a donkey.
Thank you for joining us at Gospel Quiz. We hope you had fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let us know in the comments how you did and what topics you'd like to see next. Remember, the journey of faith is always better when we journey together. Keep studying the Word, and we'll see you next time.